Another band that came out of Bradford around this time as well was an offshoot of Violation. Some of you might have heard of the Cult, but before the Cult, with Ian Astbury, they were called Southern Death Cult, and this is their track Fat Man off their first #1 indie single. There you go, that's the first single by Southern Death Cult. They did a couple more 12 inches, dropped the name to Death Cult, and then eventually Ian went and formed the Cult and ended up being lead singer with the reformed members of Doors for a while. Still lives in America, still comes over here and tours with the Cult. He's not a Bradford lad, he's from Liverpool originally, but he was settled in Bradford at the time he formed the band. It's all in the book anyway, if you really want me to waffle on about it. But the next band everybody's heard of, because that lady there mentioned New Model Army. New Model Army are the epitomised Bradford bands really, because they're still going after 34 years, and it was only the other week I bumped into Justin in their studios, and he just threw a load of CDs at me, the latest CD and whatever. But he's the constant. Most of these trees in the book go all over the place because members move on and whatever. But as you see in this, Justin Slade, aka Slade the Leather, is a consistent member. He's the only original member left in the band because one of the original drummers, Rob, tragically died in the 90s, well 2006 wasn't it? 2004. And Stuart went off to be in other Bradford related bands, but we've more or less brought it up to current lineup. And New Model Army, you know, on top of Pops, they've had quite a few top 20 hits off their albums. But they did a charity single for Shelter, and we're going to play a little track here, and we want you to guess who the guest singer is, if you've not heard it before.
If I don't get some shelter, oh yeah, I'm gonna fade away. Oh, shelter is just a shot away. It's just a shot away. Oh, shelter is just a shot away. It's just a shot away.
There you go, I know most of you guessed it was Sir Tom Jones, of course, proving that he's not just a great soul singer, he's got a rock voice when he wants it. That was a charity single for supporting Shelter, doing a Jagger Richards cover there of Gimme Shelter. And that was Tom Jones with New Model Army.